You need to see this if you have 10 million Shib coins. You should see this if you are interested in Shiba Inus or if you have Shiba tokens. What's new with the Shiba Inu coins? In 2024 and 2025, how much will she be worth? What will happen to the value of Shiba Inus because of all this? Today in the video, I'll answer these questions and tell you about all the new information about Shiba Inus that will make them more valuable. There's a lot of information in this video that you should make sure you watch all the way to the end. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. If you want to enter, all you have to do is follow this page. Comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu if you like this movie. Have fun! Before we talk about our subject, let's look at the chart and see what Shiba's price is doing on October 18th. Should we? The cost of a Shiba Inu today is about 685 units. In the last 24 hours, the price of Shibs has gone down 1.1%, and $72 million worth of Shibs have been bought and sold. The token is also the 19th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $4 billion. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. The information here is not financial advice. And putting money into the crypto market is risky, so please learn as much as you can before you put money in. The burn rate goes up by 420%, which is what she predicted. Even though most of the cryptocurrency market is losing the gains made by the fake news about the spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, there are signs that Shiba Inu could turn upward. One of these is a huge rise in the burn rate. Actually, the rate at which Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has been burned has gone through the roof, increasing by 419.94% in just 24 hours. This means that almost 40 million Shib have been burned in one day, according to data gathered from Kucoin on October 18th. Considering that the Shiba Inu team added the burning feature to make Shiba more valuable and hard to get, a huge rise in the burn rate is a good sign for the 19th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The price of Shiba Inu hasn't yet caught up with the recent big rise in the burn rate of its cryptocurrency, but the cryptocurrency monitoring website CoinCodex says that 760 units will be sold next month, which is a 10% rise. This may be because of more ecosystem development. Second layer of blockchain. Would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still watching. Keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu news and what the future might hold for the Shiba Inu coin. It doesn't cost anything and really helps support the show. Shiba Inu hit 10 cents if half of its stock is burned, and burns have become an important part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Many people have put their hopes in gift burns as a way to help Shiba reach new heights. Making it harder to burn more coins is, however, something that can be done. Following the rules of supply and demand, a 50% drop in the number of Shiba Inu's tokens available would have a big effect on their price. This is because when demand stays the same or rises, supply usually goes down. A 50% supply burn in this case of Shiba Inu would cut the total number of tokens in circulation from 589 trillion to 294.5 trillion. This means that each Shib unit would have to double in value for the market capitalization to stay the same, assuming that demand for Shib stays the same. It's important to keep in mind, though, that desire for Shib might not stay the same. Investors might become more interested in Shib if the supply burn works and the price starts to go up. It's possible that this would make the price of Shib even higher. It's also possible for the opposite to happen if the supply burn doesn't have the desired effect and the price of Shib stays the same or goes down. Investors may lose faith in the project, which could make people less interested in the token. If something like this happens, the price of Shib might drop even more. To sum up, it's hard to say for sure what effect a 50% supply burn will have on the price of Shiba Inus. It is clear, though, that this move could change the value of the coin. This depends on a lot of things, like how the market reacts, how investors feel, and how well the project does. It's now time for the video's main story. How much will Shib cost in 2 years? There are some experts who think that the cryptocurrency markets could pick up speed and begin a bull run in 2025. Shiba Inu is selling at a level of 687 units on Wednesday, with 5 zeros in the indices. Even though Shiba launched its most awaited project, the Shibarium Layer 2 network, in August, it still can't get rid of its fifth zero. Traders are being tested by the dog-themed token, which has been going backwards in the charts more recently than forward. Shib's price will be in 2025, but the Finders group of experts thinks that time will be good for Shiba Inus. It is thought that Shed could get rid of its fifth zero in the next 2 years, leaving only 4 zeros in the numbers. Because of this, the statistics for Shiba Inu could keep going up from now until 2025. Searchers think that the Shiba Inu could reach a price of 4,930 units in 2025, which is just 4 zeros short of $1 million. That means the return on investment has gone up by about 600% from its present price. Since Finder predicts that prices will rise over time, a purchase of $1,000 today could become $7,000 in 2025. The estimates say that Shiba might not be able to go above its all-time high by 2025. One thing to keep in mind is that this forecast doesn't take burning into account. Burning will have a huge long-term effect on the value of Shiba Inu because many projects are being built on Shibarium whose only goal is to burn sheep tokens. Since gas fees on Shibarium are being used to burn sheep, this could have a snowball effect and cause the rate of sheep burning to reach unheard-of levels. There are also platforms that are burning Luna Classic, such as Binance. However, Binance might be about to change and begin to burn sheep. Click the movie that comes up on your screen to learn more. Still, it's not a given that she will be able to add a zero and rise by any amount by 2025. The cryptocurrency markets are very unstable and can go both ways, causing big losses. The dispute between Israel and Palestine could get worse, which would make the markets even worse. It is suggested that you do a lot of study before applying for a Shiba Inu job. There are a lot of people who tell us that they are not going to sell any sheep for the next 5 years because they trust the Shiba Inu producers and know how much sheep are worth in the real world. How many do you guys have? Don't forget to write down where you own sheep in the comments part below. We should praise the person who is holding the sheep for having faith in the process. Do yourself a favor and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please let us know in the comments if you've subscribed. What do you think about the Shiba Inu token? Also, make sure you turn on post notifications so you know when we post a new movie. Now, click on the Bybit link in the text to learn how to get your free Shiba tokens. You should still look for other projects to buy right now, though, not just Shib. There are 5 altcoins that have the potential to make people rich, and now is the best time to buy them. Click on the movie on the screen to learn about the 5 altcoins. This is something you shouldn't miss.